Top 5 Best Pastry Boards. Revolutionize your baking with the best pastry board. Whether you're an occasional home baker or a professional chef creating culinary masterpieces, a good pastry board can make the difference between a delicious treat and a doughy mess. Ideal for all kinds of baking needs, including rolling pizza dough, kneading bread, and more, our selection has something for everyone. You'll find many are easy to care for and clean, too. Non-slip pastry mat extra large.
Hello everybody, so welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing a review for the non-stick mats here. They're made out of silicone. So let's open it up and see what it looks like.
Greener Chef extra large bamboo cutting board.
Look, Mom.
Wow! Ugh, wish I bought Dixie. These weak store brand plates turn hard work into heartbreak.
Oh no!
Never buying again.
Next time, get Dixie Ultra Plate, 3 times stronger than the leading store brand. Dixie, make it right.
Large silicone pastry mat extra thick non-stick baking mat. Silicone pastry mat 2-pack non-stick silicone baking. Mat silicone baking mats.
To think about where you want, bucket down gone. Where you want that pie down gone. Where you want, bucket down gone. Get cracking, get cracking.
This is great for pastries.
To think about where you want, bucket down gone. Where you want that pie down gone. Where you want, bucket down gone. Get cracking, get cracking.
Butters, Crisco.
To think about where you want, bucket down gone. Where you want that pie down gone. Where you want, bucket down gone. Get cracking, get cracking.
Easily be able to cut
To think about where you want, bucket down gone. Where you want that pie down gone. Where you want, bucket down gone. Get cracking, get cracking.
pastry dough mat.
To think about where you want, bucket.
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment.